Hi, dear children. Good morning, everyone. Today we will go through the continuity part of the lesson, the King Minister. Okay, let's come to the lesson. Yes, dear students, before going to continue this part of the lesson, we have to reveal on previous class. Okay, yes, in previous class we have discussed three ministers who are crow, leopard, and camel. Yes, these three animals considered as the three ministers because in their quality. Yes, the lion, the king of the lion was considered these three animals as a three ministers because these three animals having a such type of a qualities because come to the matter of the leopard it has a swift footed, it has a swift footed and famous for the speed running. And come to the crow, its qualities is fly in the sky, fly in the sky. Yes, and come to the camel, it walks in the desert, it walks in the desert. Yes, dear students, all those reason the lion consider these animals as the three minister of in a different section. Yes, defense, and extra affairs. Yes, let's see what about in previous class. I am grateful to you, your majesty, said the crow, when the lion considered as the crow is the what? External affair minister. Then crow going to said towards gratitude, said the crow, the three ministers swore to remain loyal to the king, and the lion in return promised to give them food and protection. When these three animals, these three animals selection as the three minister, after that incident, the king lion give promise to them, given for a food and provide for a food them. Yes, when the lion went hunting, they helped him to find the prey. Yes, what are the main function of these three animals? They have only work. What it? Let's see. They helped him to find the prey. Yes, they helped him to find the prey. After having his fill, he would leave them remains for them. Yes, thus they always had enough to eat. When the lion was going to hunting the animals, these three animals only helped him to find a what? To find a animal to hunting. And after hunting the lion, enough of the meal left and remain for them, thus they always had enough to eat. Yes, after having the lion is full, he would leave the some remains for them, some remains for them here nothing but a three ministers. Yes, thus they always had enough to eat. This remaining part of the meat, it's enough to them. Yes, come to the continuity part of this lesson. Yes, one day the crow said to the king, your majesty, you have ever eaten camel meat? Huh? Yes, you have ever eaten camel meals. Yes, dear students, look at the textbook. One day the crow said to the king, one day crow said to the king, Your Majesty, you have ever eaten camel meat? It is very tasty. After happening all those things, crow one day said to the lion, yes, one day the crow said to the lion, one day crow said to the lion, Your Majesty, you have ever eaten camel meat? The crow questioned to the lion, You have ever eaten camel meat? Yes, it is very tasty. Yes, it is very tasty. Camel meat is very tasty. These words come from the crow. Yes, the lion had never seen a camel because the lion had never seen a camel. Why? Because the lion always living in forest. Yes, but he liked the idea of tasting camel meat. Here, lion never taste the camel meat, but when the crow going to given information about the camel meat, how it is tasty and it is very tasteful meat, and then the lion was innerly thought about the camel meat, but he liked the idea of tasting camel meat. Yes, come to the second paragraph. Where can we get a camel? Where can we get a camel? When crow said about the camel meat, how it is very tasteful meat, all those things, and then lion himself ready to meet the camel. Oh, I have to eat the camel meat, and it is very tastefully. Let's see. Yes, where can we get a camel? Lion asked to the crow. Where can we get a camel? Yes, the king asked. The king asked, Yes, I have seen a lone camel in a desert. Yes, dear students, listen. Where can we get a camel? The lion asked to the crow. Yes, where can we get a camel? The king asked to the crow. Yes, I have seen a alone camel in a desert. Here, crow going to say, Yes, I have seen. Yes, I have seen a alone camel in a desert. Yes, it looked very fat and big. Yes, how it is the camel? It is very looked very fat and big, said the crow. Yes, the camel is, it looked very fat. It looked very fat and very big also, said the crow. Yes, here crow going to describe how the camel is physical structure. It is looked very fat and big. Yes, said the crow to the who? Lion. Yes, come to the another paragraph. Yes. Yes, dear student. Next morning, the lion and his three ministers set for the desert. Yes, when heard these words by the crow, the lion ready to meet next in the morning. Yes, next morning the lion and his three ministers set off for the desert. Yes, they were ready to eat a camel meat and meet the camel. Yes, next morning the lion and his three ministers set off for the desert. They had to travel for miles. They had to travel for miles. At last, they reached the desert. Yes, the hot and sand of the desert burned the lion's paws. Yes, it is very hot because of in desert sand it is highly temperature. Sand it is highly temperature. That's the reason the hot sand of the desert burned the lion paws. Yes, stop, roared the lion. The lion said to himself, please stop the walk, roared the lion. Let's go back to the forest. I can't move even a step in the desert because the hot and sand of the desert burned the lion paws. And then stop, roared the lion. Let's go back to the forest. Yes, When the burnt the lion passed, the lion going to say to the ministers, please stop, please stop, let's go back to the forest. Yes, I don't care for camel meat. Yes, I can't move even a single step in this desert. Please, let's go back to the forest. I don't care for camel meat. I don't want any camel meat. Please come back to the forest. Yes, the three ministers didn't want to lose this opportunity, but these three animals, fox, crow, and another one is leopard. Yes, the three ministers didn't want to lose this opportunity, but these three animals, they were not ready to lose. These three animals, they were not ready to lose this opportunity of enjoying camel meat. Yes, here observe the students. The lion ready to let's go back to the forest, but leopard, camel, and fox, they were not ready to lose this opportunity of enjoying the camel meat. Yes, but but they could eat it only after the lion had killed the camel. They were already decided we have to eat the camel meat, otherwise we don't go back to the forest. Yes, but they could eat it only after the lion had killed the camel. This opportunities only came to these three animals when it only after the lion had killed the camel. Otherwise, these three animals, they don't have a capacity to kill the camel. The capacity have only lion. Yes, come to the another paragraph of the lesson. Okay, the clever fox at once thought of plan. Yes, the clever fox at once thought of a plan. Yes, I have already told you the fox is a very clever animal. Yes, here using some tricks, the clever fox at once thought of a plan of he ran and came to the place where he camel was sitting. Yes, the clever fox at once thought of a plan. He prepared a own plan. Yes, half he ran and came to the place where the camel was sitting. Yes, hello friend, hello friend, he said to the camel. Here, the fox met the camel and said to the hi. Yes, hello friend. He said to the camel, how lucky you are. Yes, how lucky you are. In front of the camel, the fox going to say these words, how lucky you are. Our king has invited you to his court. Whoa, what a beautiful words come from the who? Fox? Yes, our king has invited to you to his court. Now please hurry up and come with me. Come on, get up. Come on, get up. Start, come with me. Yes, our king has invited to you to his court. Yes, now please hurry up and come with me. Please come with me. What are your luck? Yes, how lucky you are. Yes, I haven't heard of any king. Yes, I haven't heard of any king. Camel say, I haven't heard of any king. Said the camel, yes, I know only my master. I know only my master for whom I carry heavy loads across the desert. Yes, here camel going to describe some problems of him. Yes, I know only my master for whom I carry heavy loads across the desert. Yes, dear students, the fox said, our king is the brave lion. Camel. The fox said, our king is the brave lion. He has killed your cruel master. My king is such a personality and killed your cruel master, and now your face, and now you are free. The good king has invited you to come and live with him in the forest. Yes, the fox said to the camel, Our king is the brave lion. You don't worry. He has killed your cruel master. He has killed your cruel master. You don't bother about your master. Please come with me. You don't late to me. Okay? Yes. And now you are free. Now you are free. The good king has invited. Yes. Our king has invited you to come and live with him in the forest. Oh, what a words come from the fox. Yes, here the fox innerly pre-planned to catch the camel. Yes, dear students, I will stop here. In the next class, we will move through the another paragraph. Okay, and let's come to the what? And let's come to the grammar point. Yes, in previous class we had already learnt present, simple present tense and present continuous tense. In this class shall we discuss about present perfect tense. Okay, present perfect tense. Yes, dear student, in present perfect tense, yes, you have already know that the rules of the present perfect and present perfect continuous and simple present tense and present continuous. Yes, let's come to the matter. Yes, subject I, we, you, they. Yes, dear student, I have already told you I, we, you, they always takes plural form, because in present perfect tense plural form takes have. Yes, I, we, you, it takes have only. Yes, and come to the third person of this subject, he, she and it. He, she and it. Yes, it takes has. He, she, it takes has, because of the third person is singular. That's the reason we takes the singular helping verbs in present perfect tense, that is has. Yes, plural form is have and singular form is has. I, we, you, they takes have and he, she, it takes has. Yes, come to the main verb of the present perfect tense. Yes, used in past participle form of V3. Yes, V3. Yes, like do, did, done. Yes, do, did, done. Take, took, taken. Shine, shone, shown. Speak, spoke, spoken. Look, looked, looked. Run, ran. Swim, swam. Ring, rang, ring. Yes, bring, brought. See, saw, seen. Yes, lit. Yes, like this. Yes, in the third form of the verb here we are using V3 form. Yes, come to the usage of this present perfect tense. Yes, it denotes an action. It denotes an action that happened. It denotes an action that happened already, recent past action. Yes, when we have used this present perfect tense, because action that happened already, not continue or not remaining. Yes, it is already over, then only we can use this present perfect tense sentence. Okay, let's come to the formula of this present perfect tense. Yes, subject and helping verb and main verb and V3 form. Yes, here mainly you have to kept in your mind these rules. Yes, formula what it is: first is subject and verb and a main verb V form. Yes, let's come to the usage of this present perfect tense. Yes, come to the formula. Here look at the students, subject, helping verb and main verb is very important in the any kind of a sentence, not only for this present perfect tense. Yes, come to the sentence. I have spoken English. Here I is the subject, have is the helping verb. Why I am using have? Because I is the plural subject. That's the reason it takes immediately plural what? Plural form of the helping verb, that is none other than have. Yes, and spoken. Yes, this is the third form of the verb, V1, V2, V3. What is V1? What is V2? What is V3? Let's see. Come on. Speak. This is V1. This is V1. And V2. This is V2. And this is V3. Speak, spoke. V2 and spoken V3. Yes. Speak, spoke, spoken. Yes, I have spoken English. English is object. Yes, I have spoken English. And let's come to the second example for this present perfect tense. Let's see. E plus as plus spoken English. Yes, dear students, here using in this sentence as. Why? Because third person is singular. E. Here E is the subject. It is singular subject. Yes, when the singular subject is came, we have to put the singular helping verbs in their in the sentence. Yes, he has spoken English. He has spoken English. Yes, if the subject is singular, word should be also singular. If the subject is plural, the word should be also in the plural form. Okay, I hope you have understand. Let's come to the affirmative and negative. Affirmative means it is positive statements. Negative means itself negative statements in the sentence. Yes, which sentence going to say about positive statements? It is affirmative. Which sentence going to say about the negative statements? It is negative. Let's come to the rules of this. Yes, subject. Here also same. I, we, you, they, it takes, have, because these are all plural forms. And come to the he, she, it. These are all singular subject. It takes as. Unspoken. Yes, spoken is main verb. V form. Yes, V3. Okay, V1, V2, E3. Speak, spoke, spoken. And come to the negative statement of this present perfect tense. Yes, here I, we, you, they, it takes have with not. Yes, I have not. Yes, 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 I have not, we have not, you have not, they have not. Okay, yes. Come to the second one. He, she, it. Yes, he has not, she has not, it has not. Simple. Yes, okay. And third form of the verb. Yes, let's come to the present perfect tense negative contraction. How it is negative contraction? Yes, have plus not, haven't. Has plus not, hasn't. Let's come to the positive contraction. I plus have. It is the short form of the verbs. Yes, we plus have, we have. You plus have, you have. They plus have, they have. He plus has, he has. She plus has, she has. It plus has, it has. Yes, it is used in a short form. Yes, okay. And how to find the present perfect tense? Yes, some hints given here. Recently, already, just, now, before, so, for, since, for, how, long, and etc. Yes, when these words comes in the sentence, we can easily identify these sentences belongs to the present perfect tense. Yes, these keywords, with the help of these keywords, we can easily identify the what? Present perfect tense. Yes, the work is recently completed. The work is recently completed. The work is already done. The work is already done. The work is just now. The work is just do it. I am doing it just now. Yes, I I I have done the work before you coming to here. Yes, so, far, since, for, how long, and these are all words help to identify the present perfect tense. Let's come to the another one. Yes, how to express in action. Yes, it is used to express an action. Yes, it is also sentence used to express an action that yes happened already in the past. The work is already happened in the past. Yes, okay. Yes, and come to the second. Happened recently using adverb of time. Happened recently using adverb of time. And happened once or a no. Yes, of times earlier. These actions express in the sentence, we can find out this sentence is belongs to the present perfect tense. Okay, dear student, I hope you have understand. Let's come to the present perfect continuous and fourth form of the present tense. Okay, yes, and look at the children here. Here also given the subject plural form, singular form, and helping verb also, and it how to use. These are all given here. Let's see. Yes, subject I, we, you, they. Here in the present perfect continuous tense, I, we, you, they, it takes have been. Here extra we had something, nothing but been. Yes, I, we, you, they. These subject are plural form. That's the reason we use here have and had something the been in this sentence. And come to the second, he, she, it. These are all singular subject. We used as, we used has, yes, and had been. Okay, and come to the main verb. It is verb in used continuous or ing form. Yes, ing form. Suppose has speak, spoke, spoken, like this. Speaking ing form we had in this sentence, because work is not action as started in the past and till it is happening, not completed, it is going on. Yes, that's the reason we use ing form in the sentence present perfect continuous tense. Okay, and let's come to the formula. Subject, helping verb, and main verb we have ing form. Yes, here only difference between present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense, that is what have been and has been. Have it is same, has it is same, but we change something here, been. Okay, yes, and had ing form of the main verb. Okay, I hope you understand. Let's come to the usage of this. Yes, present perfect continuous verb form. Suppose speak, speaks, speaking, spoke, spoken, shine, shines, shining, shown, shown. Yes, formula. Subject, helping verb, main verb, and ing form. Yes, come to the first example. Hi, here the subject, have it is the helping verb, and been because it is present perfect continuous tense, the action start in the past, it going continue, not end. Yes, been. And speaking, the main verb had ing form. Speak, spoke, spoken, like speak, speaking. Yes, English is same object. Yes, I have been speaking English, Yes, when it comes have been, we can easily find out this tense is belongs to the present perfect continuous tense, because is there been and ing form also, because the work is started in the past and continuous in present, also not completed. Okay, let's come to the second one. Yes, he has been speaking English, why I am using has here, because subject is singular. Which is the subject in this sentence? He is the what? He is the singular subject, that's the reason it takes with has. Yes, he has been speaking English. Okay, and come to the affirmative and negative. I have already told that affirmative is nothing but a positive statements, negative it is a negative statement. Which sentence has positive statements we can call as a affirmative, which sentence it has negative statement we call as a what? Negative sentence. Okay, come to the formulas. Yes, I, we, you, they. It takes have been, same helping verb we use because these subject are plural. Yes, and come to the second one, he, she, it takes as, and we had extra been after. And okay, and main verb what? ing form of the base form of the verb. And come to the negative sentence, I, we, you, they, it takes same have and extra we had been and with not. And come to the second, he, she, it takes has because the subject is singular. Yes, that's the reason we use has and had been and with also not. And main verb is speaking with ing form. As speak, spoke, spoken, we had ing form of the main verb, it considered as the present perfect continuous tense. Okay, I hope dear student you have understanding this class, because I given a more example for understanding you. Okay, in next class we will continue the lesson, the king's minister, and also we continue the grammar point. Okay, bye.